everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. Today we are going to talk about how to add power ups and automation to your Trello workboard. So let's dive into the practical. Here I'm going to click on my Trello board. So here is the board that I've been working on. So I want to add power ups to the board. So I'm going to go ahead before we dive in to the practical. So as you can see, there's no power ups here. So now I'm going to add power ups to it. You will see. So I'm going to go ahead to click on the power ups. Then there are different options you can choose from. When click on add power ups, it's going to take you to section where you can add your power ups. So here you can add power ups from by integrating other tools to your Trello workspace, but I'm going to use tools made by Trello. These are all the tools made by Trello. So I'm going to go ahead to, you can choose anything you want to achieve here, but I'm going to use voting. So I'm going to add vote, add. And I'm going back to my board. I'll click on the board, click on my card. So you can see voting has been added. So my team member can come in here and vote. You can see the voting. I've voted. So any of my team member can come and vote. And that is it for power up. So let's dive into automation. So as you can see, there's no automation here. So let's click on automation. There are different things you can do with automation. You can add rules, you can add button, you can add email report, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to use rules. So I click on the rules. It's taking me to where I can have create the automation. So here I'm going to click on create automation. So what I'm trying to achieve is, you will see from the command, from the trigger to the action, you will see what I want to achieve. So I'm going to go ahead to click on add trigger. So the trigger I want to add is when a card is when a card is added to the board by anyone. So you can choose from here. And okay, when a card is created, that's what I want to use. When a card is created, you can make your choice. It just depends on what you want to achieve. So, like I said, I want to use this one for the practical. When a card is created in the board by anyone, I go ahead to click on the trigger. Then, so what is the action? What is the action? The action I want is move the card to top list. So and I go ahead to put in the list name where I want the card to be moved to. So I want the card, when a card is created, I want it to be moved to current tax, like what's going on at the time, current tax, which is the card I created earlier, the board I created. So I'm going to click on move the card to the top of the list. Then I choose current task. Then I choose the workspace, which is Synergy Afikuzen workflow. So I'm going to go ahead to click on this plus sign to add my automation. Then I click on save. So it's saved. When I go to my board, okay, let me type in anything here. Work working on the current task. Then I add, you see, it's going to take you to here. It's going to take you to the current task, which was the automation. So this is all for now. There are different things you can do with automation. Just go ahead to go through it, read through it, so that you understand what you actually want to achieve. So that is it for this lesson. Bye for now. See you in the next lesson.